So, geometry isn't the most favorite topic of students your age generally, but we will do it just the same. And hopefully it won't be too difficult. So for this class, all I really have are just a few, I guess, definitions that you need to know. And then a couple of calculations that you can work on. And then there's some stuff in the book for you to do. But right now, it's just a matter of learning about regular polygons.
I don't know how all these geometric shapes are called.
That's why I just said. We have these definitions, names of shapes, things, and so on.
Octagon.
And we will go through that.
No, that's not.
Well, that actually has 9 sides, so that's a nonagon.
And what is that 13 side bar, whatever?
This one, it's 12 sides. I want to say it's a dodecagon. I can't remember. 12 sides is a tough one.
I looked up on the internet.
I can tell you, though, that my favorite shape is a dodecahedron.
It's hard to say.
It's a 30-sided shape, 3D shape, made up of pentagons.
I just like this.
Dodecahedron. So, this section that we start with is on regular polygons. Okay, so what is a regular polygon? All the angles in a regular polygon are the same size. Okay? All the sides of a regular polygon are all the same length. So, for example, this pentagon here, all 5 sides are the same length. All 5 angles on the inside here.
And then an irregular one is a shape that you've made up by yourself, but it has uneven sides.
Yeah, exactly. Right? So, in each one of these 4 examples, they all have same length of sides and same angles. Okay? That's what makes it a regular polygon. If I just say polygon, it means that, the sides are not necessarily all the same length.
But if you say draw
and while you're over there, can you shut the door?
But if you say draw an irregular,
then it would just be whatever you wanted. So if I were to draw, I guess, irregular,
that has
it does, but it's not, because they're different sizes.
But a kite is a diamond.
But the angles are not the same, right? A regular polygon, angles have to be the same. So a 4-sided shape that is a regular polygon is a square. Okay, that's the only one that's a regular polygon, is a square, right? Okay. Any questions just about a regular polygon? Moving on. So, an interior angle of a regular polygon is the same side. So each interior angle. Okay. The 2 angles, I don't know why I said 2. I guess there's 2 in each except the square. Labeled I with a little degrees symbol, because your angles are measured in degrees, are the interior angles. So interior angles are all the angles on the inside. Okay? And again, in regular polygons, they are all the same size. So this angle and this angle is equal. Right? This angle and this angle is equal. This angle and this angle is equal. Inside one regular polygon, all the interior angles are the same. With me?
Yeah, of course.
Shimon? Great. Are you with me? Okay. Next is exterior angles. So each exterior angle
extended angle
is the extended angle. Okay? And they, of course, are, again, all the same size. Okay? So how you get an exterior angle is by extending any one side of your polygon, and then it's the angle on the outside. Right? So if I have this, I extend this side, right? That's an exterior angle. I extend this side, that's an exterior angle. I extend this side, that's my exterior angle. That's how you get these sides. Right? I extend that one, that's my exterior angle. And again, with this, each exterior angle on your regular polygon, again, are all the same size.
What is something regular? Yeah. It's always same size. everything like
A regular polygon?
angles, sides, everything is same.
Yep.
And when one angle will not be same, that means that some side will not be same too.
Yep, exactly.
And same with sideways.
Yep, exactly. Okay, so those are the three important things we need to know for this section. Interior angles, exterior angles, and regular polygons. Okay, so we got that. We're good so far. So now for some math. So regular polygons have n sides, n being however many sides they have. So, pentagon has 5 sides, so n would be 5 in this case, right? N equals 5. This is a 9-sided figure, so n in this case is 9. So n is just how many sides your polygon has, right? So each exterior angle is found by this calculation. So your exterior angle E equals 360 divided by n.
So
Now,
what's n?
yeah.
So we basically E equals 360 divided by 3
Yeah. Why is it 360?
Because the whole angle has 360. Because
Every angle has
Yes.
one angle is it's always 360 one angle.
In a regular
all
shape.
angles together.
In a regular shape.
Yes, that is true.
In a regular shape.
No, in any shape. Well, this one is just because they're all the same, yes. But this 360 would be used for any shape. Because even an irregular one. As long as it's, what's the word I'm looking for? Concave.
If you draw it from here, all the way to there, then all the way to there, then all the way there, and they're all like 360 degrees each. Then it's not really 360.
But they wouldn't be. Because
How can you have a
360 degrees is an
360
entire circle.
How can you have a 360 degree?
But that's getting offhand. We'll get to that though. You're right, we'll get to that. So 360 degrees is because it's an entire circle. Like 360 degrees would be an angle all the way around. Right? That's 360 degrees. The exterior angles on any polygon add up to 360 degrees, always. So that's why we have this here. Okay? So, what is the measurement of my exterior angle here?
E equals 360 divided by 5.
Which is?
Calculator.
360 divided by 5.
Uh-huh.
7 point.
Not 7 point.
6 point. 6 point.
No?
68?
Closer though.
It's 11.
Nope.
72.
72.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
How about in a 9-sided shape?
9, 360.
40.
Say that again.
40.
42?
40.
40.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
40.
Will we be able to use the calculator for this shape?
Yes. So, for a 9-sided shape, it's 40 degrees.
12.
I don't know. What about 12?
30.
Yep. That one's easy enough. So this is E, it's equal to 30 degrees. This is, of course, 90 squares easy. Okay, you with me? How to find the measurements of an exterior angle in a regular polygon?
Yes.
Don't lean in your chair, please. I wasn't pointing to you or looking at you even. Okay. So now, each interior angle is of course the same, and it can be found with one of these two formulas. Either you can take the interior angle is 180 minus your exterior angle, which is found using this, or you take 180 minus 360 over n. This one here may be, I guess, your obvious choice or method of choice, only because you don't need the exterior angles to find it. That's all.
What are the keys? Is it when we have that thing which is measuring the tool which is measuring angles, it's easy to find exterior.
If we have a protractor. Yes. But for now, I mean, our pictures aren't always going to be drawn to scale. Meaning that the angles might not be the same in the picture as the question's asking. Because the question might say, this is a regular polygon, but it doesn't mean the picture actually is. You know what I mean? So measuring it with a protractor might not always work. And what that would say is, in big letters somewhere, it might say, not to scale. Meaning that you cannot measure it with a ruler, you cannot measure it with a protractor because you might not get the correct answer. You have to solve it mathematically. So it'll either say this next to the picture, it might say this in the actual question itself. If it says that, that's a big hint to tell you don't use a ruler or a protractor.
I mean that you can find exterior angle to do the first equation when you have that
Yes.
projector.
Yes. The only thing is that if the picture's not to scale, then it doesn't work.
The scale is accurate.
Yeah. So then if it's not drawn accurately, you cannot use a protractor, is what I'm saying.
That's when you're doing it in book or something.
Yeah, like if the question actually says measure with a protractor the angle of this, then those pictures are drawn to scale for that very reason, so that you can measure them. Okay. Are there any other questions about this?
What's a shape?
Any real questions?
There's a real question. Someone went up to you and said,
None
what's
at all?
a shape?
I just drawn the square.
That would be a square.
So just
This is also a shape. It's an odd shape, but it's a shape.
It doesn't
There
connect.
goes the angles.
It doesn't connect.
Yeah, it's a
Okay? It's three shapes put together.
But they don't connect. Like the head is floating away from the neck.
Uh-huh.
The neck is attached to the body.
Uh-huh.
So it's two shapes.
But the arm is also not attached to the body.
But yeah, again, you have to connect the arms to the legs because then it's not a shape.
Yeah, well.
Because it's not a shape. You just drawn an incorrect example.
Cool.
Why didn't you just draw a circle?
Because you obviously know what a shape is.
Yeah. Why didn't you just draw a circle?
I didn't want to.
Sausage is a shape. Rectangle is a shape.
So, anything else?
this building is shaped.